Hello YouTube Preppers, this is the Comms Prepper with the Comms Prepper Helpers.
Hi Preppers.
And we're headed south on 95 here in Northern Virginia, headed to Woodbridge to Ham Radio Outlet, one of their brick and mortar storefronts. We're going to pick up some parts and materials for the new Icom IC-7200 radio. We're going to get 16 feet of coax cable for the antenna tuner, which I haven't shown you yet. And we're going to go ahead and get the carry handles that get mounted to the side of the radio. This is an extra option that are similar to the old handles on military PRC radios, so you can carry the unit in the field. So we got a couple minutes to head down 95 here to Woodbridge, and then we'll show you the storefront. Alright guys, we made it to Ham Radio Outlet here in Woodbridge. I don't have permission to film inside, so we'll go ahead and cut here and get our parts and head back to the homestead and put the radio together and do a proper unboxing of the new Icom IC-7200 radio. Alright guys, so here's the unboxing of the Icom IC-7200 HF transceiver that we've added to the Comms Prepper station here at the homestead. You of course get the radio, you get a microphone, the power cord, which I've already terminated to connect to my power supply, but I'm going to add Anderson power poles to that. You get a printed copy of the manual and the manual on CD, and there's also online an advanced manual that if you decide to get this radio, I recommend you download. It gives really good descriptions of each of the functions and the menu settings. You get an accessory bag here with assorted connectors, a plug for the phone jack on the front to help make it water resistant if you're not using the phone plug, and you get 3 fuses, 2 for the external power cord, which you can see there, and then 1 fuse for the internal fuse that's inside the radio. I'm also going to add Icom's AH4 automatic long wire and whip antenna tuner. That comes with mounting hardware, weatherproofing material in that plastic bag, a manual which I left upstairs, 16 feet of coax cable to run from the tuner to the radio, and then a 16-foot control cable that connects to the radio as well, and that provides the tuning instructions and the power for the tuner. I opted to buy my own RF cable, so I'm not going to use the cable provided by Icom. That's what that is there. We picked it up at Ham Radio Outlet. I also picked up the optional MB116 carrying handles, which mount to the side of the radio. Kind of like the old PRC military radios, to give you a handle to carry the radio. And other things I'm adding to this station that don't come in the box. Of course, you've seen my SCS P4 Dragon Pactor 4 modem that I do a lot of my HF email with. And I went to Farallon Electronics, and I'll put a link down below, and bought the custom cable to interface between the modem and the radio on the accessory jack in the back. Other items I purchased today to put this all together are some Anderson power pole connectors, 30 amps. I bought a rig runner, and I'm going to try to work that into the configuration to connect up the modem, and I thought that was really neat because it has a port there for USB connectors. I bought the proper crimp tool for the Anderson 4 power connectors, and I got tired of digging around looking for wires, so I bought some 12 gauge red and black DC wire, and the goal here is to put this in some kind of package where it's transportable, similar to the bug-out bag radio, but having a full featured high power HF station vice the low power Yaesu radio that I have now. So there we have it. That's a quick review and unboxing of the Icom IC-7200. We're going to spend tonight and tomorrow morning putting this all together, getting the antenna tuner connected up, getting the connections made, and hopefully we have the radio up and running for tomorrow night's TapperNet, the HF network that they have every Sunday. And I'll put links down below for that. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with a quick unboxing video of the new Icom IC-7200 HF radio. Thanks for watching, guys.